Hi, welcome to this Lightspeed Learning on Understanding React DOM. This is going to be quick, so let's jump right in. React DOM is the library that React uses to render content to the browser. The DOM in React DOM stands for Document Object Model. The Document Object Model is the model the browser uses to render web pages. That model is composed of all of the objects that represent each element that is rendered. It is also the interface that JavaScript uses to make changes to the page. Because changes to the DOM are expensive to re-render by browsers, there is also an in-memory virtual DOM which mirrors the browser DOM and which React DOM manages. In this virtual DOM, React DOM keeps track of what changes are being made to the UI, and when a change occurs, it tells the browser DOM to render only what has changed. This is important for performance. Managing this virtual DOM and efficiently rendering content to the browser are the main purposes of React DOM. And that's it for React DOM. If you want to keep learning, here's the next video on understanding JSX. And here is the entire Lightspeed React playlist. And of course, please like and subscribe if you'd like to see the other content we're putting together. Thanks, and keep learning at Lightspeed.